Creating a successful YouTube channel involves a combination of content creation, audience engagement, and strategic planning. Here are some of the best strategies to consider. 1. Identify your niche. Passion and knowledge. Choose a niche that you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. This ensures sustained interest and credibility. Research, analyze the competition and identify gaps in content that you can fill. Use tools like Google Trends, YouTube Analytics, and keyword research to find trending topics within your niche. 2. Create high-quality content. Production value. Invest in good equipment for filming and editing. Clear audio and high-definition video are crucial. Editing. Use professional editing software to polish your videos. Make sure they are visually appealing and well-structured. Consistency. Upload regularly. Create a content calendar and stick to a schedule to keep your audience engaged. 3. Optimize for SEO. Titles and thumbnails. Create compelling titles and custom thumbnails that attract clicks. Use relevant keywords. Descriptions and tags. Write detailed descriptions with keywords and include tags that help YouTube's algorithm understand your content. Closed captions. Add captions to make your videos accessible and improve SEO. 4. Engage with your audience. Comments. Respond to comments on your videos. This builds a community and encourages viewers to interact more. Community posts. Use the Community tab to post updates, polls, and engage with your audience outside of your videos. Live streams. Host live streams to interact with your audience in real time. 5. Collaborate with others. Collab videos. Work with other YouTubers to create joint content. This exposes your channel to a broader audience. Guest appearances. Feature experts or popular figures in your videos to attract their followers. 6. Promote your channel. Social media. Share your videos on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Reddit. Cross-promotion. Promote your videos on your website, blog, or other platforms you control. Engagement. Participate in relevant online communities and forums to share your content and gain new viewers. 7. Monetization strategies. Ad revenue. Enable monetization on your channel to earn from ads. Sponsorships. Partner with brands for sponsored content. Merchandise. Sell branded merchandise to your viewers. Crowdfunding. Use platforms like Patreon to allow your audience to support you directly. 8. Analyze and adapt. YouTube Analytics. Regularly review your analytics to understand what's working and what's not. Feedback. Listen to your audience's feedback and make adjustments accordingly. Trends. Stay updated with the latest trends and adapt your content to stay relevant. 9. Stay authentic. Personal connection. Be genuine and authentic. Viewers appreciate creators who are true to themselves. Value. Ensure that your content provides value, whether it's entertainment, education, or inspiration. 10. Patience and persistence. Long-term commitment. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time. Be patient and persistent, and keep improving your content and strategies. By implementing these strategies, you can increase your chances of growing a successful YouTube channel.